Jeff, how does your do-it-yourself mural or the kit compare with what you paint in terms of number of stars and 3D effect? Definitely what I paint is going to be more detailed, but you're going to get a very detailed mural out of the do-it-yourself kit. When I designed it, that's the main prerequisite. I wanted to have it be very close to what I paint. I'm going to give you a lot more stars. Let's say a 10 by 10 room or a 12 by 12 room. I may have up to 4,000 stars in it. In a do-it-yourself kit, you're still going to have over 2,000 stars, maybe 23, 2,400. That's a lot of stars. Other people that paint these, they're not going to give you half that. So you're going to get a much better professional mural with my do-it-yourself kit than having anyone else paint. The 3D effect is there in the kit and is definitely there in with what I paint. And I'll put the constellations in for you, and I put the Milky Way in, I'll add a shooting star, I'll do the crescent moon. But in the do-it-yourself kit, I'm going to give you those video instructions. You can do a crescent moon, you can do a shooting star, and I teach you how to do the Milky Way. So it's definitely not as detailed, but it's a great option.